You mean I could sell my home without a real estate agent? Hi, I'm Mark Stiles of Stiles Law down here at Studio B. Yes, you can sell your home without a real estate agent. But just because you can doesn't mean you should. Let me ask you this. If you had appendicitis, would you go to your kitchen drawer and grab a steak knife and do it yourself? I didn't think so. I get it. The market's hot. Inventory is low. Every time a house goes up for sale, it sells. It's very tempting to think, I could do that. It's like shooting fish in a barrel. And guess what? You think you're gonna save a lot of money, right? Wrong. 78% of all people who sell their home without a real estate agent actually capture less net proceeds than if they used a professional real estate agent. That might not be exactly true, but it's on the internet, so it is now. Do you ever put a value on your time? If COVID has taught us anything, it's that the only constant in this world is time. But by the way, what day is it today? Are you prepared to host an open house? And by the way, do you know all of the COVID protocols? How about private showings? When people come in to look at your house with you, and then the home inspector comes? And that's if it's only one buyer. What happens if that first couple of deals falls through? And then you have the appraiser. And then you have the fire department, and maybe the Board of Health, and maybe the conservation department, and maybe other contractors. What's your time worth? And that's after you have already spent all that time and energy and money on marketing. But do you really know how to market a piece of real estate? Do you have access to all of the various software programs that licensed real estate agents have? Do you have MLS? And did you know if you do gain access to MLS for your listing, that most buyer's agents are going to require 2% commission, at least? Do you have all of the local knowledge to understand what the real value of the property is? But what about the perception? In your mind, you believe that you're going to gain more net proceeds because of this, but your buyer thinks that they can undercut because there's no real estate agent. And let's talk about that buyer. They're coming to you who doesn't have a real estate agent, so they think that you're already going to be pinching pennies. So before a negotiation even begins, it's probably starting on the wrong foot. So then you start negotiating. You, for your home, without any insulation, anyone to intercept what might be perceived as a personal attack on you and your home and your family. It's not always about the money. Even when you're factoring in the buyer's agent's commission, the cost for marketing, the failure to price it correctly, but also the attorney's fees. They're going to charge a lot more if they know that they don't have a partner helping with some of the things we discussed. It's not just about the money, it's also about your sanity. You know, I might have joked about that stat earlier about the folks and their net proceeds, but I can almost assure you, if we asked those clients if they would do it again without a real estate agent, it would be a unanimous no. Folks, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please share it with everyone and anyone, and be certain to subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Stiles Law, and ring the bell so you're notified when our new videos come out. Thank you, and be well.